guys, I'm going to teach you how to make a squishy. Like one of these. I'm going to make a mini one because those are a lot quicker. So, yeah. So, if you, I'm just going to use, I'll just tape it. So you find a product, like a sock or something like that. Oh, hey guys, I'm Emily, and this is, I don't know what video this is, but it's one of my first videos. So you're gonna wanna get tape, put the piece on of fluff on it, and then tape it like that. This is the quick way. Get another piece of tape. No. And I messed up on the piece of tape, but whatever. You guys, I'm messing up on everything, but I promise you, this will turn into squishies. You guys can just put fluff in tape and do it the way I'm doing it, or use like, or I go to my TikTok and I'll show you, and there's a ton on my page. And my TikTok is friendsdon'tlie_08 because, you know, I wanted to do 0 to 9, but I couldn't. So, you know, yeah. Because I forgot, because I was 8 at the time that I made my account, and now I'm 9. I just turned 9. I just turned 9 last month. And that is your squishy. You can use a bag, a gift bag, really anything. So, you know, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video, which is not a lot, because I don't post a lot. This is maybe my 6th or 7th. So, you know, you guys, this video is gonna have to end here. I love you all so much. You guys are so awesome. Everybody who subscribed, turn on notifications. And yeah, I really would love that. Okay, bye.